tayo kakarera sa kalsada. Pagpos, abangan natin ang mga pagkakataon tulad ng binibigay ng Wiltec, your key to a new life na mga ganitong track day. And of course, ang mga gamit po ng Wiltec ay ang Kawasaki Motor Philippines Corporation.
Please proceed to the Camote banking area right now. Balik na po kayo dun sa Gymkhana area. Maglalaro na po tayo.
Ikaw, bilisan mo. Ikaw, dikit ka lang. Huwag ka magpaiwan.
Pag-stop, nasa kamay, doon mag-click yung timer.
Romel Sipulo.
Congratulations po sa mga nanalo. Congratulations and sa mga hindi ko nanalo. Next year, ngayong second year ang Camote Baseball.
Ang isang Kawasaki Fury 125.
Thank you!
Ang motorcycle lang niya ay ERC.
Wala na!
Mark Anthony Alea.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm here at Timog Avenue in Quezon City for the opening of Yamaha's Rev Zone. So itong Rev Zone ito is Yamaha and Wiltec's partnership at ito ang kauna-unahang Rev Zone dito sa Metro Manila. So samahan nyo kami, tingnan natin ang opening ng bagong shop na ito na merong both small and big bikes. Tara!
Let's count it all up. Today is a very special day as we welcome Yamaha Rev Zone here in Quezon City. Let's count it off from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the Yamaha Rev Zone HQC is now open! And they're here to stay, and today they make another milestone by opening Yamaha Rev Zone here in Quezon City. Maraming salamat po ulit for joining us here this morning. If you just came in, hi, my name is Joyce Blake at ako po ang inyong host para sa umagang ito. As you all know, we're just very excited to see the world-class motors that Yamaha has to offer, which we will be looking at later on the show. But for now, of course, we have our MOA signing ceremony.
I think you have to know where did we come from and what is Wiltec. Wiltec started in Cabanatuan City or Nueva Ecija in 1974. And from that time on until now, we became so loyal with Yamaha. And now we have here the Rev Zone, which Yamaha would only not be giving to all dealers. So we are so lucky and so thankful that the Yamaha Group gave this Rev Zone plans to us.
On behalf of Yamaha, we really congratulate the Odorio family and the Voltec company, all staff of the Voltecs, and also, of course, very precious in our Yamaha customer. So thank you for coming.
kakatapos lang ng opening ceremonies dito sa bagong Rev Zone dito sa Timog Avenue in Quezon City. At ito, nakikita nyo, nasa harap ko ang Yamaha M1 ni Valentino Rossi. Sino pa nga ba? At ito ang nakadisplay ngayon dito pagkapasok nyo sa store. Itong shop na nga pala na ito, meron ding mga small bikes at saka big bikes. So para siyang Y-Zone, pero Rev Zone ang tawag sa kanya dahil ito ay partnership between Yamaha Motor Philippines and Wheeltech Motor Sales. Sa mga taga Quezon City at sa mga malalapit na lugar, punta lang kayo rito sa Yamaha Rev Zone dito sa may Timog Avenue, malapit sa Rotonda, in front of Laccent Hotel. Meron bukod sa mga bikes pala rito, no? Meron kung makikita nyo, meron din dito mga accessories, mga helmet, mga shirts, mga jacket, and riding pants. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na kayo rito.